Hey, my name is Luther Landro, and I want you to take a good look at this screenshot from PayPal, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a brain-dead simple way to fill your PayPal account with $497 monthly payments like these from local business owners, all without ever having to leave your home, without doing any hard selling, and without ever having to speak to the business owners who are paying you. In fact, this entire method is done via email. My coaching students have been filling their PayPal accounts with $497 payments for months with this method. Just hear what a few of them had to say. Mike from San Diego writes, Luther, I've only been using this method for about 2 weeks, but I've already booked 5 clients, each paying me $497 a month. One has even purchased my premium $5,000 coaching package. You are the real deal, and your coaching is worth 10 times the price. Jill from Newark says, just booked another client with your email method. $497 a month. That makes 6 since I started. I attach a picture so you can use me as a testimonial. And Martin from Chicago writes, just wanted you to know that my client finally signed up for $497 a month. You were right about those emails. They work like crazy. The students who were lucky enough to get in on this early have been making a fortune from their kitchen tables. And now, I want to offer you the chance to get in on the action, spending just 20 minutes a day to run this business from the comfort of your own home. The best part is, you can see your first payment as soon as next week. Now, I discovered this method quite by accident. A local client of mine came to me with a problem that was costing him customers. He offered to pay me $500 if I could fix it for him, and would keep paying me $500 every month to monitor it. The problem was that his listing on a popular site was not set up properly, and he didn't have time to figure out how to manage it. Naturally, I agreed and began to think that there may be other businesses out there that have this same problem. And after fiddling with a few Google hacks, I uncovered an absolute goldmine. There are over 800,000 businesses that have this exact same problem that's costing them money and they don't even know it. The best part was that you could find each and every one of these business owners on Google with a carefully crafted search query. In fact, you can even narrow the search to only find businesses with this problem in a specific town or state. Imagine, over 800,000 businesses that are losing customers and desperately need help. All I do is send an email to the business owners explaining this problem and tell them how to fix it without trying to sell them or even having anything to offer them. In every case, the business owners write back to me grateful for pointing this out to them, with about 30% asking to hire me to help them fix it. And a good portion of the ones that don't ask to hire me end up sending me referrals because of the trust I have built by not trying to sell them. Now, obviously, not every business will ask to hire you. However, sending just a few emails a day is more than enough to regularly sign up a few new clients per week, each paying $500 per month. And all the servicing is completely outsourced. It only costs about $50 to $100 a month to service each client who is paying you $497. In fact, lately, I've dropped that down to $20 a month after finding a few Fiverr gigs to do all the work for me. It doesn't take many clients to start earning 6 figures per year just sending emails. And since there are so many businesses with this problem, I started teaching this to a few coaching students. After all, this method allows anyone to book $497 a month clients with absolutely no selling, never having to deal with rejection, and only dealing with clients who want to hire you. My coaching students have been using this method to build 6-figure businesses, since there are over 800,000 businesses in need of this solution. And with more businesses starting every day, there is simply too big of an opportunity out there for all of us to handle them. And so, I want to offer you the chance to get in on the action. I have compiled all the details of this method into a system that I call the Effortless Income Formula. In this course, not only do I reveal the problem that over 800,000 business owners are facing, and how to service them for as little as $5, I'll also show you the exact Google search queries that uncover business owners who are in need of you, as well as their contact information. I'll also include the very same email template my coaching students use to reach out to these clients that pre-sells them on your service and your fees, the Google Fiverr gigs and outsourcers I use to handle fulfillment of this service. It only costs $5 and you could charge $497 a month for it. And as a special bonus, I'll include a section on how you can outsource the entire process to do no work at all and just collect a $497 a month fee. Plus, I'll include the mobile app service that I upsell these clients for $10 grand a piece. Here's the deal. I'll be launching the Effortless Income course on Udemy at my normal price of $200. But before I do that, I want to include more testimonials and case studies from folks like you who are making money from home using this method. And so you will not be paying the regular price of $200. If you act right now during this limited promotion and promise to email a testimony when you start making money yourself, I'm going to let you in on this offer at less than half of what everyone else will pay. You are getting the entire Effortless Income formula for the low price of only $97. Listen, don't decide right now. Take advantage of Udemy's unconditional 30-day guarantee. Just try the Effortless Income system for yourself for a full 30 days on me. If you do not book at least 5 new clients in that time, just send a Udemy support ticket with the word refund, and you will receive back every penny. No questions asked, no hassles. Remember, this offer is only valid for a limited time, so look below this video right now. Click on the buy button below and claim your spot in the Effortless Income program before the promotional price ends.